Hi there, it's me Lennox. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I want to show you one device that is not per se smart home but could be very useful, especially if you have a lot of smart home devices like I do, and each device has its own adapter. And I ended up having like 7 devices that need power supply, and all those adapters are just taking space and it's inconvenient. So let's have a look at this device, which has 10 USB ports, and you can put 10 hubs or 10 Google Home minis or 10 anything that is powered on USB. So let's have a look. You can get RealPower Powerstation 120 on Amazon or from your local seller. I was pleasantly surprised to find out that the price here in the Czech Republic was lower than on Amazon, since that doesn't happen very often. Anyways, for around 100 euros, you get the Powerstation with 10 USB ports, each 2.5 amperes with a total power of 120 watts. I tend to believe that this, since it is a European company, really delivers 2.4 amperes per port. You could of course try getting similar item from China for much less money, but I have doubts trusting sellers on Ali that these devices can really deliver that amperage per port. And it is of course a matter of safety, since you don't want to overload a cheap Chinese charger and cause a fire. So let's see the mess I created with all my devices. Hopefully I'll get rid of several adapters. As you can see, I have Xiaomi 3rd generation gateway, Google Home Mini, Tuya Zigbee gateway, wireless charger, infrared controller, RF to Wi-Fi dongle, and even one Raspberry Pi that is also powered by micro USB. I checked the power requirements of each device and their respective adapters, and they don't consume much except maybe a wireless charger and of course the Raspberry Pi, which consumes 2.5 amperes. But since other devices consume much less than declared 2.4 per port, I think it should be okay. And this is how it looks now. I have a total of 7 devices, so that leaves 3 free ports for future expansion. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.